Ever wondered why there are so many ibis birds in Sydney? This is not by coincidence, but a fascinating story of these intriguing creatures adapting to urban life. Let's dive into the world of ibis birds, their habitat and character. The ibis, often referred to as the bin chicken, is a bird native to Australia, and there's a particularly large population in Sydney. But why Sydney? The answer lies in their habitat and adaptability. Originally, ibis birds were found in the wetlands of Australia, specifically in the swampy marshes, mudflats, and shallow lakes. These birds are waders, meaning they have long legs suitable for walking in water, and their diet primarily consists of aquatic invertebrates, fish, and frogs. However, the gradual loss of their wetland habitats due to urbanization and drought made the ibis birds seek new places to live. And where better than a bustling city like Sydney, with its abundance of food sources in the form of human waste? The adaptable ibis found a new home among the city's parks, gardens, and garbage bins, leading to their colloquial name, bin chicken. Now let's talk about their character. Ibis birds are highly resourceful and intelligent. They have a keen sense of sight and smell, which they use to locate food, even in the most unlikely places. These birds are also social creatures, often seen in large flocks, and they are not shy around humans, which makes them stand out in the urban environment. But there's more to their character. Ibis birds are survivors. They show remarkable resilience and adaptability in the face of changing environments, making them a symbol of endurance. So, to summarize, the ibis bird's large population in Sydney can be attributed to their adaptability and survival instincts. Once inhabitants of the wetlands, these birds have successfully transitioned to urban life due to loss of their natural habitats. They are resourceful, intelligent, social, and resilient creatures, not afraid to rummage through our garbage bins to find food. Whether you admire their survival skills or cringe at their less than glamorous dining habits, one thing is clear. The ibis birds have become an integral part of Sydney's urban landscape. And while their presence may be a stark reminder of the environmental changes our world is facing, it also serves as a testament to the incredible adaptability of nature. So next time you spot an ibis bird in Sydney, remember, you're looking at a survivor, a creature that has adapted and thrived in the face of adversity. But what about Korea? Do they have ibis birds? Well, the answer is yes and no. While it's true that ibis birds are not native to Korea, they have been introduced into the country. However, the ibis we're talking about here is the crested ibis, not the Australian white ibis we've been discussing so far. The crested ibis, known as toki in Korean, was once believed to be extinct in the wild until a small population was discovered in China. Since then, efforts have been made to reintroduce them into their former habitats, and Korea is one of the countries that has taken part in this project. In Korea, these birds have been reintroduced in areas with plenty of water and rice fields, as these are their preferred habitats. They are known for their beautiful white plumage with a hint of pink and a crest of long white plumes at the back of their head. However, unlike their Australian counterparts, the crested ibis is a protected species in Korea. The birds are carefully monitored to ensure their survival and adaptability to the new environment. It's a stark contrast to the Australian white ibis, which has adapted so well to urban environments that they are often seen as pests. So that's the story of ibis birds in Korea. In the end, whether in Sydney or Seoul, these birds continue to surprise us with their resilience and adaptability.